Hello everyone, welcome to this training today. So in this training, I'm going to be showing you guys how to successfully register for your Ariwallet wallet submission. Okay, so first, once you open your Ariwallet app, it will prompt you to update the app. So go ahead and do the update. It's pretty easy and fast. So update the app. Once you have done that, you will not need to do any other thing. Just click on enter testnet. It will bring you to this place. So you will know that you have done it correctly if you are seeing something like this. Okay, so once you are seeing it, this is what you have to do. So you click here, you click submit your tax proof. So you can say here you need to submit your EVM, so which can be your MetaMask, any of your Ethereum virtual machine. So just your MetaMask wallet address. All right. Then submit your Discord handle and your Twitter account handle. So for me, let me get those informations right now. So, but first, before I get information, let me show you guys something. So for you to get your Twitter handle, because you need to know, sorry, your Discord handle, you need to know the particular one to use. So when you go to your Discord, all right, when you go to your Discord, because many people are making this mistake already. When you go to your Discord, what you want to do is click on this place here, go to your settings. All right, if you go to your settings, click on settings, go to account, go to account, okay, go to account, and on account, you will now see username. Okay, you will see username. So that is the username you have to use. So for me, I'll go here, and so let's look at this information here. So for your username, you just type in the username that you are using on Discord. So these are the informations you can see here. So when you're typing your Twitter handle, ensure you include the @. So for me, I'll go over here now, and I'll go to my Twitter, and I'll say my Twitter is okay. So this is my Twitter. Then my Discord is at, and here I'll just go copy my EVM wallet. So I've already put my EVM wallet. This is the one I created specifically for Ariwallet. So you can see if you have filled your information like this correctly. So what you need to do is you click on verify. So you click on verify, and you can see it has verified. It will show me this and that. So I'll click on submit, and you can see tax proof submitted successfully. To complete your proof submission, please enter the same information. There's the same information: wallet address, Discord handle, and Twitter using your submitted Discord account. So I will take a screenshot of this, and I'll click on. So you can see. So my information has been submitted. So here I say, please resubmit if you need to edit this information. So we have about 17 to 18 days to fulfill this before this option will be cancelled on the platform. So for now, I have done mine, and I hope it is quite easy for you guys to follow along and do it also. That will be all for now. Thank you guys. Bye.